Hey traders, Jay from WB Trades back again for another recap. Very solid day on Friday, well above the daily goal, which is around 1 to 2,000. But there you can see around made 5,200. Uh, I thought maybe Friday is gonna be a slow day, which it turned out, but kind of sized up heavy because I just want to finish the week strong. Just took only one trade and made around 5,200. Really happy with the execution and the trade that I planned was gonna work out. So very happy about that. Before we get into analysis, I just want to go over one thing. Most of you guys who watch the recaps don't subscribe the channel. I just started this channel. Really need your support to grow this channel. If these recaps are helping you in your trading, or are you guys taking any notes or improve, tools and tactics are implemented in your trading, go ahead and subscribe this channel, guys. Really need your support for this channel. All right, so let's get into the analysis. So anytime market kind of open around the same area where it is closed. So anytime there's like no big gaps, like you always want to consider the prior day data, which is this one. So you always want to resume like the trading kept resuming until Thursday to Friday because there was not huge gap. So like I told you, I always teach you guys the wave concept, the market structure concept, like market moves in one, two, three, or four, five waves. So I'll go over on that concept today, what contributed to the $5,200 in profit. But I see there's a lot of guys here on YouTube, they will show you all the drawings. Okay, you have market structures and market moves in a wave one, two, three, four, five, or six, seven, but they don't show you the real examples, real data market examples, and what actually put in there into the perspective and contributed to the profits, which I will show you, and I'll be showing you for the last videos or so. So, if you see there's no big gaps in the prior day's data, you always want to consider that data prior days, the closing data, and consider, close to how it's gonna work out. Okay, so market open around this is zone right here, but if I take this prior day's data, you see this drop here. See this? You can consider this as a wave one drop. This is, where solid selling. You see this one, two, three. So what I did is once I consider this prior day's data relevant, I took this as a wave one, and all want to wait for some sort of pullback. You don't never, guys. I always tell you, never ever chase stuff. Always wait for your pullbacks, and you want their pullback to be under the 61% fib level. You take this high, put it right where the low is, where the bounce is. Look where the retracement, the bounce came here. See this 50 to 60% area. That's it. So you take this drop 50 to 60% area. Once I see this candle, this this red candle, right under this moving averages, I went short right here once the low of this candle was taken out. And you want your protection to be right above this candle, which is your entry. Okay, so you just risking one bar. That's it. You don't risking anything more, and you always want to go for this new low right here. So I see this. I went short 20 contracts, put my stop right above the one bar, and I covered everything right down this zone in this right here. Once this new low happened, I took everything out right there. Why? Because the market structured over. You see this one, two, three, over. Wait for your next pullback for the next lower down. Then and there you can see once I took everything out of there, look the bounce that happened again. That's another. That's the another leg. 4, 5. So I didn't take this trade, and look the where the bounce came from on this one as well. You take this high, and look, take in the bottom, right around the 50 to 60% area. Don't blindly short it there just to get to the 50 to 60%. You always want to see the price put some brakes on there yourself. If you're going short, but there's other confirmation. You see this red bearishness. That's another confirmation for the next leg lower for the new low. We did get the new low right there. See this? That's how the market wave principle and the market structure works. So I just showed you the real example, real data, how I look at wave concept, how I see market structures, and how I'm able to pull money out of the market using those market structures and wave principles. All right. So these are the real results, real data, no more drawings or making how I want to drive like other guys do on YouTube. These are real current concepts. Hopefully, these concepts will help you in your trading. Are you able to take some notes and then go about your trading? All right. So yeah, one and a done. Made around $5,200. So far this month has been very strong. I'm up like around let's see, I'm about up like probably like in 38,000. My monthly goal is around 20 to 28,000. So far, I have exceeded those goals very easily. So I'm probably gonna size down a little bit going forward because I don't want to lose the momentum and the confidence that I have. But yeah, so one and a done. Solid month so far. I think we have 3, 4 trading days, and we'll see how I'm gonna close the month. And these are just a really small example, guys. I mean, it's not about the money; it's about those your rules and your proper risk management, and you have to put that into your trading. So, for example, I was just risking one bar. See this? So one bar. Look at the profit I got. I got this whole area down there. Of course, you can take profits down here, but I usually wait for a new low. And, I just want to, wait for some big winners. You can be profitable if you take some scalp, but if you want to make some big money or big dollars, the wealth is always generational wealth is always created by holding your winners as much you can. Okay, so I just was risking one bar, and I look how many I took profit by the area. So very very happy. That's why I go about it. But yeah, so that was the recap, guys, on Friday. Like I said, if you like these recaps, go ahead and subscribe the channel, and I'll try to make more of this recaps. Hopefully, trying to help you guys improve your trading. I might also do some YouTube live. I got a lot of DMs that saying that they wanted to see me live trade. I might see if I can next week. I might do some YouTube live. All right. Thanks.